Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. When creating a new secret in AWS Secrets Manager, what information is required to configure automatic rotation for the secret? The expiration date of the secret. The secret name and description. The public key used for encryption. The type of AWS service that will use the secret and the rotation schedule. When configuring automatic rotation for a secret in AWS Secrets Manager, you are required to specify the type of AWS service that will use the secret and the rotation schedule, enabling the automation of credential updates for enhanced security. What is the primary benefit of using AWS Secrets Manager for managing API keys? Reduced API call limits. Faster API response times. Secure and automated key rotation to enhance security. Integration with third-party APIs. AWS Secrets Manager provides secure and automated key rotation for API keys, improving security by regularly updating access credentials. What advantage does using AWS Secrets Manager provide when compared to hard-coded configuration values in code? Dynamic and centralized management of sensitive information. Higher cloud computing costs. Increased risk of security breaches. Reduced ability to scale applications. AWS Secrets Manager offers the advantage of dynamic and centralized management of sensitive information, allowing for secure access to secrets without exposing them in plaintext in code, reducing security risks and enhancing operational efficiency. What is the benefit of integrating AWS Secrets Manager with AWS CloudFormation? Optimizing database queries. Reducing storage costs. Monitoring network performance. Automating secret creation and management in infrastructure as code. Integrating AWS Secrets Manager with AWS CloudFormation enables the automation of secret creation and management within infrastructure as code templates, allowing for secure and consistent deployment of applications with sensitive information managed centrally and securely. What is the purpose of secret rotation in AWS Secrets Manager? To increase storage capacity. To regularly change access credentials for enhanced security. To improve network latency. To reduce data duplication. Secret rotation in AWS Secrets Manager is done to regularly change access credentials for enhanced security by automatically updating secrets. What type of automation can be implemented using AWS Secrets Manager for rotating keys? Automatic, scheduled key rotation. Randomized key rotation. Manual key rotation. Biometric key rotation. AWS Secrets Manager enables automatic, scheduled key rotation to regularly update access credentials for enhanced security. What is the benefit of using AWS Secrets Manager for managing secrets compared to hard coding them in application code? Increased risk of data breaches. Higher cloud computing costs. Enhanced security through centralized management and encryption. Reduced ability to scale applications. Using AWS Secrets Manager for managing secrets offers enhanced security through centralized management, encryption, and automated rotation, reducing the risk of data exposure and unauthorized access to sensitive information present in application code. What is the impact of using AWS Secrets Manager on the scalability of applications that rely on dynamic credential management? Enables efficient and secure access to dynamic credentials. Increases network latency. Requires manual updating of credentials. Limits the number of API calls. Using AWS Secrets Manager enhances the scalability of applications that rely on dynamic credential management by enabling efficient and secure access to dynamic credentials, supporting automated rotation and centralized management for improved security and operational flexibility. What is the primary advantage of using a managed service like AWS Secrets Manager for storing secrets? Complex data encryption. Lower storage costs. Simplified lifecycle management of secrets. Increased network latency. The primary advantage of using a managed service like AWS Secrets Manager for storing secrets is the simplified lifecycle management of secrets, reducing the operational overhead of managing sensitive information. What type of encryption does AWS Secrets Manager use to protect stored secrets? SHA-1 encryption. AES 256 encryption. MD5 encryption. DES encryption. AWS Secrets Manager uses AES 256 encryption to protect stored secrets, ensuring that sensitive information is securely encrypted both at rest and in transit. How does AWS Secrets Manager help meet compliance requirements for managing sensitive information? By encrypting and monitoring access to secrets. By storing secrets in plaintext files. By requiring manual rotation of secrets. By publicly sharing all stored secrets. AWS Secrets Manager helps meet compliance requirements for managing sensitive information by encrypting stored secrets and monitoring access using secure protocols, ensuring that sensitive data is protected and accessed only by authorized entities to maintain regulatory compliance. What is the benefit of using AWS Secrets Manager for managing access keys for AWS resources? Faster response times for API calls. Reduced AWS service costs. Secure storage and continuous rotation of keys for enhanced security. Integration with third-party API providers. AWS Secrets Manager provides secure storage and continuous rotation of access keys for AWS resources, ensuring that access credentials are regularly updated for improved security. How does AWS Secrets Manager ensure compliance with security policies related to managing access credentials? By providing real-time reporting. By reducing the need for security policies. By increasing storage capacity. By enforcing fine-grained access controls and secret rotation practices. AWS Secrets Manager ensures compliance with security policies by enforcing fine-grained access controls and secret rotation practices to secure access credentials. In which region is the data for secrets stored in AWS Secrets Manager encrypted by default? Randomly selected region. The region where the secret was created. Global distribution across all regions. Data is not encrypted. By default, data for secrets stored in AWS Secrets Manager is encrypted in the region where the secret was created, ensuring that sensitive information remains secure while at rest or in transit within that specific region. How does AWS Secrets Manager enhance security for managing application secrets compared to traditional methods? By centralized and encrypted storage of secrets. By exposing secrets in plain text files. By requiring manual rotation of secrets. By public sharing of all stored secrets. AWS Secrets Manager enhances security for managing application secrets compared to traditional methods by offering centralized and encrypted storage of sensitive credentials, mitigating the risk of data exposure or unauthorized access to sensitive information throughout applications and infrastructure. How does AWS Secrets Manager help enforce security best practices for sensitive information? By offering real-time monitoring. By reducing storage costs. By providing automated secret rotation and access controls. By increasing network bandwidth. AWS Secrets Manager helps enforce security best practices by providing automated secret rotation, fine-grained access controls, and encryption for sensitive information. What benefit does AWS Secrets Manager offer in the context of DevOps practices for managing infrastructure secrets? Increased development time for deployments. Slower response times for infrastructure changes. Manual sharing of secrets via email. Improved security and automation for handling secrets in automated environments. AWS Secrets Manager offers improved security and automation for handling infrastructure secrets in DevOps practices, supporting secure storage, rotation, and access controls for managing sensitive information in automated environments with reduced risk of exposure. What is a key advantage of integrating AWS Secrets Manager with RDS databases? Faster database provisioning. Automatic rotation of database credentials for enhanced security. Enhanced database querying capabilities. Lower data storage costs. The key advantage of integrating AWS Secrets Manager with RDS databases is the automatic rotation of database credentials, improving security by regularly updating access credentials. What is the recommended way to store credentials for AWS services securely? Use AWS Secrets Manager. Store credentials in code repositories. Save credentials in plaintext files. Share credentials via email. The recommended way to store credentials for AWS services securely is to use AWS Secrets Manager to securely store and manage access credentials. How does AWS Secrets Manager simplify the process of managing secrets in an application? By requiring manual rotation of all secrets. By limiting the number of available secrets. By providing a centralized location for storing and accessing secrets. By increasing application complexity. AWS Secrets Manager simplifies the process of managing secrets in an application by providing a centralized location for securely storing and accessing sensitive information, reducing the risk of exposure in code. What is the recommended approach for accessing and managing secrets securely from AWS services? Use plain text files for secret management. Embed secrets directly in each service. Use AWS Secrets Manager to retrieve and rotate secrets securely. Share sensitive information through unprotected channels. The recommended approach for accessing and managing secrets securely from AWS services is to use AWS Secrets Manager to retrieve and rotate secrets securely, ensuring that secrets are managed in a controlled and protected manner. What is the purpose of AWS Secrets Manager? To help you protect access to your applications, services, and IT resources. To monitor network traffic. To manage user permissions. To provision AWS resources. AWS Secrets Manager is designed to help you protect access to your applications, services, and IT resources by enabling you to securely store and control access to sensitive information. In the context of security best practices, why is it important to rotate credentials stored in AWS Secrets Manager? To lower cloud computing costs. To increase network bandwidth. To reduce the risk of compromised credentials. To improve server performance. Rotating credentials stored in AWS Secrets Manager is essential for security best practices to reduce the risk of compromised credentials, ensuring that sensitive information remains up to date and secure to prevent potential security breaches. What role does AWS Secrets Manager play in enhancing operational efficiency for managing secrets in applications? Increasing manual workload for developers. Reducing application complexity. Centralized secret management and automatic rotation. Eliminating the need for encryption. AWS Secrets Manager enhances operational efficiency for managing secrets in applications by providing centralized secret management with features like automatic rotation, simplifying secure access to sensitive information and reducing the burden on development teams. What type of encryption is used to protect secrets stored in AWS Secrets Manager? DES encryption. SHA-1 encryption. 256-bit AES encryption. RSA encryption. Secrets stored in AWS Secrets Manager are encrypted using 256-bit AES encryption to ensure their security. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.